student, welcome to the virtual classes of JetKids. Now today we will go through the next part of our how to make the charts, and so many different formatting things are there in chart. So again we have to do the audio because so that you can see the each and everything of our slides properly. Okay, so first our topic is changing data range of a chart. Okay, so changing data range of a chart means what? We can change the data range of a chart. Whatever the chart we have made, we can change the data of that chart very clearly, and on the basis of that only the chart will change. Okay, so right click on the data and click on the select data. You have to right click on the data. Whatever the data is there, we have to right click on it, and there you will get the select data. Select the data source, make desired changes and click on okay. So we'll see how we will go through. Now I will off the camera and only audio will be there. Okay, see, now see here, this is our data, this is our chart. Okay, Excel sheet is there, you know this we have already done. So this is our data, whatever the data, and this is your chart. Now see what we have to do next. So here you have to do the right click. Here you have to do the right click. See, I have done the right click here. This is your, you have to right click here. When right click you will do, all these things will come. Okay, from this you have to select data. Understood? See here, select data. Got it? Right click, first of all right click, then select data. When you will select data, what will happen? See, 1 minute. See, here you have to select the data and you have to do here okay. If you want to change anything, you can change anything by of this also, and you can this also. You can then click on OK. When you will click on OK, then see the changes will happen here. See the selected mode. Here whatever the changes you want to do, if you want to change the marks of this, if you want to change the mark of this, if you want to change the name, you can change anything, and whatever the changes you are doing, it will show here on chart. Got it? Here on chart. So when I change here 29, I change the mark of Hindi of Riya, it's Priya to 29 here. So if I am changing here Priya, so where is Priya? See, Priya is here, and I have changed the mark of Priya's Hindi marks means this blue. Okay, now we will change. When I change it, then see the mark change, and the size of the chart also change. Understood? See, every here changes depend on the whatever the changes you are doing here in the markings or names or everything, that will show you here. Result will be here. Okay, understood? See, this is your what means you can change the data means whatever the data is present here. I will show you again, once again, whatever the data is present here, if you are changing this data, then it will show the effect here. Okay, it will show the effect here. That time only you will come to know that yes, it is changing here. Select the data, then okay, then whatever the changes you want to do, whatever the changes you are doing, the changes you will get here. Okay, now changing data and text in a chart. Okay, now text also you want to change. See, Riya, what I will do now, see, this is if you want to change, same type is there. see here, in RIA I have changed the RIA's all these things. Okay, so that changes you can see here in RIA's. This is the change of data and text. Whatever the data and text, if you are changing, it will show you here. Okay, now deleting the data and text in a chart. Now see, I am going to delete the RIA. This block I want to change. I want to delete it. Okay, so what will happen if you want to select it? See, I selected and then I right click and then deleted. Okay, so that was deleted here properly. See, this RIA is deleted from here. That's why you can't see here. See, okay, RIA is deleted, so here also you can't see RIA. You can do the deletion, select it, after selecting right click and delete. Okay, it is very simple. Select, right click, delete. Like this you have to select it. Like this you have to select and then delete. Okay, select and delete. It will delete the whole block only. So here, if you are deleting here in chart, also changes can happen. So formatting plot area. Now if you want to change the plot area, you can change it like this. See, this is your plot area. Okay, if you are when I click here, see, this things means it was a selection. When I click here, it was selected. This was selected, and you can find here like format plot area. Okay, you will get, when you will select this, you will get these things. Okay, when you will click here on fill, so many different patterns will come here. I will show you how. See, when I select here fill, solid fill color I selected, and here I change the color green. So see, this plot area color has changed. Understood? You can change the color of area. Here you can give anything. If you want to give any picture or texture, you can give it pattern. Any fill you can give it. Gradient fill means some different color, mixed color will get it. No fill means before the what we have seen like this, it will be like this only. Understood? This is your formatting the plot area. Format plot area is written here also. If you, when you select this, it will open this and you can change the things here. Now format data series. See, when I click here, we can again same, it is like same. When you will click here, what will happen? Format data series will come. If you want to change the data here, the data will come, and whatever the things you want to change here, you can change it. You can change the name. See, last name. See, last name is I change here. Before this, I will show you 1 minute. I already changed the text in that only. I have changed it. So now I will show you. This is your formatting data series. So formatting data series, you can change those things. Whatever the things you want to change, you can change it, and the result will you will get here. Okay, this is your format the data. See, the color I have changed here. Format means here I change the color. This is your data series. This is your data series. That's why I change here this data series. And what happened? That color change, solid color I filled it. See, this is blue. Now I change it to green. Blue, green. Got it? This only I have changed. What? The everyone's name and name. What English marks? English marks I change here. The color. You can change the color of everyone. Whatever the color you want, you can change your chosen color. So this is your today's video. I will explain you again. I think it is so much disturbed type is there, so I will send you. See, so many slides are there today. See, first of all, changing data range of a chart. So these are the steps. Click on right click only once you will get, you can understood each and everything. Only things are needed. You have your textbook also, so everything is present with you, only you have to do the work. So right click on the data and click on the data, and what will happen, you will get the things. When you are doing the right click here, these things will you will get these things here. Select data. When you will select the data, what happened, the data will come. Click on the OK button. Okay, it's very simple. Click on the OK button. Then what will happen, when you will click on the OK button, you will directly went here whatever the changes you want to do, you can change it according to your changes. Everything will be changed. Okay, see, I changed the marks of each and every subject 29. So here you can see each and every last Hindi, they are of same height now, because they are of Hindi, same height, because marks are same. Okay, these changes you can see. When you will do the work, you can definitely go through it and you can see the changes. Okay, now changing data and text. Only you can change these things, you can change it. Changing data and text, I changed the name last to Rama, that is I change the text. And data, I already, we have seen that when we can change this data also. We change it to 29, and they showed us that we can change the name also, text also. So text also have changed to Rama. Okay, now deleting data and text in a chart. Now deleting, I will delete this Ria I will delete. See what I have done. Only you have to what you have to do, only you have to select this whole line, you have to select, and you will select the whole line. Right click on it and it will delete. So see, Ria is deleted. Now formatting plot area, select this. See, I showed you the arrow also. Select this. When you will select this, it will get format plot area. Fill and border is there, you can change the colors. Different patterns you will get, like see, you can do anything from this. I have taken solid fill and I fill the color with this. Okay, and you can also do this. Format data series. Now format data series means these bars are there now, these are your data series. These bars are there, these are your data series, and you can change the colors of this by using these patterns. Okay, so this is your data series. I have taken solid color and I have filled the solid color. See, before blue color is there, now I change it to green color. Okay, this much only I have to explain you today. And now it is up to the end of the class, because and end of this lesson also. In next video I will completely end this chapter with question answers and all. You have to note down the question answers of this, because in our next exam you will have this computer paper and I will ask you question from inside the book. So you have to go through each and every video properly and note down the things very properly, because I will not ask you the questions which are given behind the after the chapter. I will ask you question from my videos also, whatever I have explained you, because practical is there. And if you are listening and carefully these practicals, I will ask you the questions from this only. Understood? Very nice. Now thank you so much for listening everything. Thank you.